growth strategies in small business. So whatever environment changes happen from time to time, you have to survive that. Only when you survive that, you can challenge the need for the. You have different social, economic, and political factors involved in your enterprise, but all these things should be taken care by a business enterprise, and the changes in environment should be observed or should be monitored very closely. And any adverse environment changes happen, your company should be capable of handling that in a very easy manner, so that it is not going to pose a big threat for the employees. And you have to take the environment change as a challenge, and you have to grow from that. Growth strategies in small business. What is the need for growth? Why should the industry grow? So only when industry grows, you can generate more profit. You can contribute to the economy of the country, and you can also invest in different uh, places. Why does it need to grow? What is the need for growth? Definitely, any company has to grow. Why should it grow? Only when a company grows, it will tackle the demands of the people. What motivates it to grow comes from everywhere. External factors you have, internal factors you have. So everything should be supportive for the company to grow. Growth, what is the definition for growth? Strength and stamina to face challenges or competition. Growth means you are acquiring the required strength and stamina to face the challenges or competition in the environment. So whatever stiff challenges or competition you are going to face, you are possessing the required amount of strength to fight that and overcome that. Growth ensures survival of business. So if you are growing consistently, means your business is safe. Even in adverse and hard times, you are growing means that indicates that you are a successful entrepreneur. So growth is indirectly proportional to survival. So if your growth is good, then you can survive in the market for a longer number of years. And if even in the toughest times you are able to grow, means it is going to be an indicator for your success. So if any modern technology changes, you have to upgrade it immediately. But it leads to huge investment to make use of this on enterprise needs. Yes. Modern technology is going to be a huge investment for you, but if you don't do it at the right time, your company will not be able to uh, generate the required number of required income or profit to upgrade your technology. You have to upgrade the technology at the right time. You cannot wait for so long, because once your competitors have done that, they will start reaping profits much more than you start reaping your profits. Types of growth strategies in small business. What is strategy? Strategy is a well-planned course of action desired to achieve an objective. Okay, so strategy is used very commonly nowadays. So what is the strategy to win a game? What strategy the captain is going to follow? Strategy is what all actions you are going to implement to achieve an objective. So you can associate the term strategy with any event. So what is growth strategy? What sets of actions you are going to implement to expand your business? The small plan to help enterprise grow big. So for growth of your company, what strategies you are going to implement, or what's the goals of actions you have planned, so that when you implement them, your company is going to grow big. So two types of growth strategies are there. First one is internal growth strategy. Next one is external growth strategy. The internal growth strategy means employ enterprise will grow on their own, or join hands with other enterprises. You grow on your own. You fund your own expenses. You generate your own profit and you grow accordingly. That is internal growth strategy. You don't join hands with anybody outside your organization for your growth. Okay, that is internal growth strategy. And external growth strategy. Definitely, you are going to do create a partnership, and you're going to join hands with other partners, other industries, and you're going to have a joint growth. Internal and external growth, both are required for a company to grow. You should not be very specific on which type of growth strategy you are going to follow. Whichever is applicable to you, whichever is possible, you can apply that particular growth strategy for your company. The main strategies for growth. So, what are the types of growth strategies you have? First one, expansion. The expansion is increasing the number of units. I have 5 units in Chennai. I am making it as 10. So it is expanding the business. Diversification. Diversification means you are producing different types of products. You are increasing your product base. That is diversification. Joint venture, you are partnering with a company and you are creating new products. Okay, your partnership, you are having a partnership agreement with the company and you are creating new products. Merger, you are acquiring some units and you are merging it with your company. Subcontracting, whatever work you are going to do for a company, you are doing something, you are giving it as upfront, you are getting it done by some other person so that you don't take the tension of doing it, you just get the work done by somebody else. Franchising, so using your brand name and investing in places where you cannot go and personally invest, you cannot find a building or everywhere in place to invest. So in that type, you go for franchising. Franchising means the person will become a franchise of an industry. So all the brand name of the company, he can use it and he can run the company on the franchise. Yes, franchising is nowadays very popular. You have that famous, wherever you travel on a national highway, you have that famous Kumhoonam degree coffee, right? So that is actually based on franchising. So all the shops having the name Kumhoonam degree coffee are not owned by the company directly. It is being sold to individuals to use their brand and they can generate the income. And there will be a profit sharing ratio where you can share the profits with that particular company. Okay. So these are the six different strategies of growth that are popular, and nowadays it is companies use it for expanding their business.